Hello, how is everybody doing here? I'm back with my update of June 2020 video for my account. And okay, let's start the video. Firstly, copy me on eToro. Secondly, like this YouTube video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is highly appreciated. I see you. You didn't like my video yet. Just press the button. Okay. So if you want to see my previous videos, a link to them you can find in the description of this video. Thanks. So, regarding the news. A month ago I made a trade with eToro stock and I made 30.67% gain on this one. What I will do now, I will take the base amount of this stock and I will take also the 30% profit and I will put this money in a dividend paying stock, Skyward Solutions. On 11th of June I received dividend payment from Skyward Solutions and I will reinvest also this dividend payment in this company. So that's how I grow my portfolio. Okay, now let's take a look at my portfolio. The stats of my profile are very good. I have increasing amount of followers, people who are adding me to watchlist, so the account is growing, so it's very good. The month of June was not the most profitable month. In June, my profit was negative 1.84%, but all in all, during this half year, I have been profitable plus 39.25%. So it's a good gain for half a year, as one of my target states, my target is 50% gain per year, so I need only 11% to get to my yearly target. I think it's doable in the next 6 months. Update on my portfolio, just 3 assets for now. Ethereum, one of the largest cryptocurrencies, Oliver Dunwell. He's been in profit for almost 4 years already, every single month. Let that sink in. And my dividend play, Skyward Solutions. I will continue to dollar cost average in Ethereum and in Skyward Solutions. And that's my plan for now. If you like this video, press like. If you want to follow how I'm doing on eToro, add me to watchlist and track my performance every day. If you want to copy my trades, press a blue copy button in my eToro profile. Thank you very much. Press a like